Hello and welcome to my painting video. In this video I'll be painting a Genestealer Cult Neophyte hybrid. I'm painting a couple of these guys for a new Necromunda gang I'm currently playing. I'm not sure if I saw this particular paint scheme somewhere else or if I thought of it myself. But I thought giving miners bright orange jumpsuits makes sense in the murky dark of the Underhive. Let's begin, shall we? I usually like to begin with either the biggest area that needs to be painted or the area that lies deepest in the miniature. For the base coat I use Jokaero Orange. Next I give the jumpsuit a wash of Reikland Fleshshade. This shade is perfect for orange hues. Now I will layer Trollslayer Orange all over the raised areas of the jumpsuit. Make sure the wash you applied in the previous step will still be visible. Lastly, I will highlight the jumpsuit with Fire Dragon Bright. I'm getting a liking to the orange color. My Blood Bowl ogres have orange, and I will soon be painting the necromantic horrors, which will also feature a lot of orange. I might try to find a new way to paint orange just to keep it interesting. For the armor, I wanted to have a dirty bluish white look. For this, I will start with a base coat of Celestra Grey. Then I will give it a wash with Basilicanum Grey contrast paint. I watered this down a little bit with Lahmian Medium. Next I will reapply Celestra Grey to make the bigger areas a bit more even. You can also highlight the armor at this stage if you like your armor to look a bit more dirty and used. Now I will highlight the armor with Administratum Grey. The tabard here I paint with Mephiston Red. Next I highlight the tabard with Evil Sunz Scarlet. Finally I paint all the tubes and hoses on the armor with 2 coats of Black Templar contrast paint. The hue of the armor really complements the bright orange jumpsuit. I'm happy with this. I want to add 2 types of leather on this model. The gloves, belt and boots will be painted with Black Templar contrast paint. I recommend 2 coats. The other leather like the boot protection and some straps will be painted with Wyldwood contrast paint. The use of Wyldwood really adds a nice variation to the orange part of the model. The weapons and gadgets hanging from his belt are base coated in Leadbelcher and given a heavy wash of Nuln Oil. The Genestealer Cult symbol hanging from his belt gets an extra coat of Balthasar Gold. Now I will wash everything again with Agrax Earthshade to give the metal a dirty and used look. Lastly, I highlight everything with Stormhost Silver. On to the skin. First I give the skin a base coat of Guilliman Flesh contrast paint. I want the neophytes to look like they're at the beginning stages of mutation, so I wash everything with Druchii Violet. Next I layer the skin with Kislev Flesh. Make sure to water it down a little bit and not to hit the crevices. Highlight the flesh with some Pallid Wych flesh. I thought the highlight was a little bit too much, so I added some watered down Guilliman Flesh to blend everything nicely together. Lastly, I want to have a look at the small details on the figure. First, I will paint all the buttons on his armor with Temple Guard blue. And I will give it a wash of Drakenhof Nightshade. Next, I will paint the inside of the goggles with Slaanesh Grey. And add some Druchii Violet. The flashlight is base coated with Iyanden Yellow contrast paint. The inside of the bulb gets an extra coat of Flesh Gitz Yellow. And to finish it off, a dot of white scar. Finally, I paint the barrel of the shotgun with Gore-Grunta Fur. This will make the weapon look a little bit more interesting. And here we have a finished Neophyte, ready to get deadly injured in the Underhive. I will also have to paint an Aberrant and an Adept. These will also be featured in other videos for sure. Thanks for watching.